It's like he's trying to kiss her, and she's like, "Aw."
Oh, this is so funny. Whiskey, let go of that!
What are you doing?
He's holding on to the...
Oh,
You are so bad.
she can't get away now.
He is so horrible. He's so mouthy. God.
He's training her. Just keep your head down.
He's stronger than we are.
Ah, that's interesting training technique.
Oh.
Watch out. Whiskey, watch out.
Oh, he's been so bad. Oh, I don't want to back up. Hey, you know what?
Oh, now she's leaking. I guess he got her excited.
I guess so. I swear, it's like she's always in heat. Hey, you...
Oh, she's turning towards them. I don't know if she knows she...
Oh, man. It's almost like, I know, seriously. It's like she wants him gone, and now she's just like, hey. Oh, calm down, Annabelle.
Yeah. That's okay. Wow.
Wow, yeah. Man, Whiskey's a stud, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's a ladies' man now.
I wonder what you would get. Just the way he's holding it. Okay. Stay right there.
It's so precious. In a really weird way. I have no idea what he's doing. I can feel like my skin just burning.
Yeah.
I'm backing up for that. I don't want to be her legs are.
I'm going to hold on to this so you don't jump off.
Guess what fence she'll be hanging by a lot.
I know.
Oh, she's so sad. She's like, hey, where is he?
Wait, over there.
So funny.
Should I keep doing the peroxide? Yeah, he's not there.
Annabelle's got a boyfriend.
I know.